And we're back. Very cool. So let's move on from Wix chat and go into the contact list. So contact list is pretty straightforward. You saw that I filled out that small form in the Wix chat, and there also you can put like a form, for instance, to maybe ask people how they heard about you, um, or place them to leave questions like a contact us form. When they do that and they give you their information, this will just kind of keep it all organized for you. Let you know the last time they had any activity with your business, their name, the phone number that they left, or their email that they left. I'm sorry, and then their phone number if they left one, address if they left one as well. For your business, an address could make sense because you guys have to travel to people's homes. So asking them for an address on the website would be one less thing, for you to write down or ask them to text. You can have it here on the website, nice and organized when you schedule yourself. Form submissions. This is something we have to do another time, but we can make forms on Wix Forms. If you guys remember when you upgraded your website, um, you were able to get a list of things. I believe one of the apps they said they give you for free 4 years, Wix Forms. There's also some free forms on the site as well, but this is where that information would go in regards to the forms and stuff. But I don't have access to that as just an editor, so we can go over this section in the future. It's nothing to really worry about too much. I don't really use mine that often. Automations is really cool. So when people fill out a form, for instance, you can have them instantly get an email that says, "Thank you for filling out the form." Super nice. So it's a nice little touch that you won't have to go and email them yourself. It's just automatically you'll send somebody, put like a nice picture of a job you've done, and say, Dina and McKinley would like to say thank you for choosing our business. We so look forward to hearing from you in the future. And here's a little bit of information about us for you to look over. And then you can maybe say your story or something. The hometown feels really big right now. Everybody likes that. So super good kind of thing. Relatively easy to do. So boom, you can put that in there and kind of pick how you want the automation to work. So someone fills out your form, or let's say you send an invoice. Let's say the invoice is paid. You can send them an email, choose what time it goes out, and it basically will look like this. See, thanks for getting in touch. Kind of show you. And we could put like a nice picture in here, something that you guys would want, like something of your work. And then maybe this could sit into the website. But this is super, super nice feature. They come out really, really sharp looking. Makes your business look like you're definitely ahead of the times. And it's very simple to use. Very simple to use. Let's go back to the setup. So that's what that is. Just automations is just a way to set up automated emails and things of this nature to come out. You can even add things to your to-do list. Speaking of to-do list, that's what's next. Disregard this. So not too crazy of a thing. I do use this quite a bit. I like it a lot. Just a way for you to add tasks. So, if I'm working on something and a customer would call me and say, "Hey, I had a dog groomer call me early this morning I work with and say, "Hey, I need you to list the type of shots we require before the dogs can come and get to our dog sitting program." I'm already on my computer. I'm working on invoices and things. Just be like, go to dog groomer sites and add missing info, something like that. And I could even put like a due date on it if I had to do it by a certain couple of days. I could link it to someone if it had to do something with a particular client or anything like that. Or you could just make it like a grocery list, like make sure you load the truck, make sure you do this, make sure you do that, or make sure you take certain pictures off of the computer, or upload pictures to your business profile as a reminder for yourself. Just Really cool, really easy. It'll link to your phone too to help you. So I think it's super smart to use. It's at your discretion, but it's a useful tool and it's all in the same spot. You can edit your website from and stuff. So that's what makes it, in my opinion, so extraordinary. Site members. So when people sign up for your site, um, they can kind of come in here. This is me because I'm an admin. You guys as an admin, and Andrea's an admin, but her email doesn't even work anymore. I took that off. You guys have to go in and delete her yourself, but her email is shut down. Actually, now is info@rogercruzmarketing.com. Um, so once again, I apologize for all that. Price quotes is something that I think you guys will like a lot, especially in the nature of your business. So this is where we're going to stop the video because that basically kind of shows you the communications, and this is actually how you get paid. So I'll see you in the next video.